Hi, this is Jack. Now I'm taking you to see another machine of a factory. I'm now in the workshop, and for this one, I just want to take you to have a look at this. You see, this big container is where we put the materials in, and we call this machine the in-orderly sorting machine. You see, we put the small bags here, in this big container, and then it rises from this spot, and then drops here and drops here, and then convey from this way. You see the motors, the electric eyes, and they will all be conveying because of the spinning of these rollers. Then all the way through the electric eye, and then when they come out from this belt, they will be at the same speed, so we can sort it very well. And the reason why we can do it, you see, I take you to see the back of the machine. They are all because of these servos. This servo can control it, go and stop at the same time. You demine it. You see, there are 2, 4. There are 12 servos. And from here you can see the frequency, and they are all motors thinking this way, and this is the PLC controller, and find it on this way, and you see engineers now taking the setting the parameters of it to see, and I will go a bit further to make you see this. To see the overlook. They have an overlook of this machine. Very good machine, well designed. Thank you for watching.